Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Medyo matagal-tagal yung first post ko and the second one. But I'm back, and for this project, I'm going to teach you how to do this heart pocket, which is a perfect gift for this Valentine's season. So stay tuned. Here are the tools that we need to use. We'll be needing a pencil, as well as a ruler, scissors, and the paper that we are going to use. Plain one and a colored one. The size of this is 8.5 by 11 inches, aka the letter size paper. Pwede rin i-customize it. Use like a different color. Let's say pink is the favorite color of a special someone, or yellow. It's up to you. Also, most importantly, we need a mug because we'll be doing some curves like the heart. So we need it as a guide. Okay. For the paper, let's go with the white one first. Fold this in half. Just like that. Okay, and also another half. Just like that. Oops. So we're gonna cut this half. So that when you open, it's like this. I already pre-cut some a while ago for the white one. Okay. Now that's cut, we'll be needing the mug. For the mug, we also need the pencil. Draw a curve. So put the mug on one of the sides, on the open sides, huh? Just like that. And also on the other corner, the open corner. Just like this one. Okay. You can do it on this other side. Put the mug as well, but I'm gonna cut it now. Just hold it firmly so that you could cut the opposite side as well. Be sure to cut the sides that is at the ends, not this side. Okay? Okay, cut. And cut. Clean it a little bit. And we will have something like this one. Also do the same procedure for the red one. So, just like that. And now, what we're going to do is we will put it on top of each other. So, as a guide, the red one will be the guide for the white one. Get your ruler, put it here, and fold both. Okay. Do the same procedure for the red one. So this time I'm gonna use the white one as a guide. Put the ruler on top so that it would be harder when you fold it like that. Actually, you could see it already. It's forming like a heart. What we need to do now is to fold the two sides, or rather the red one and the white one. Fold the first one into half Okay, just like that. And also, let me hide it for a while. Again, fold it in half. Yan, like that one. You would see equally divided parts. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the same for the red one. Now it's time to cut this one. This creases is actually your guide for the cutting. So just like this one. Just like that. Also, that one. And last cutting. Just like that. You will be cutting up to the guide. Like that. Be sure that it can be folded. Directly, this is quite tight. A little tear would do that trick. And that's good to go. Of course, do the same procedure for the red one. I made another one earlier. I pre-cut one, so that will be easy. Now comes the tricky part. So ito na, the weaving process. Since we have correctly cut it earlier, it would look something like that. So the folding, cutting, and now we're ready to weave. So paano nga ba? Okay, the technique is start with the white one, then the red one. White one here, okay? We are going to insert this white one to the red. Okay, the first one. Next, the white again. Insert the red one inside the white one. So see, even the back is weaved. Hindi siya patong-patong. It's not like top. You need to put it inside. So, next. So, red is on top. White one. Again, now is red. To do that, we need to insert the white one to this red part. So, okay. And the last one, insert the red inside the white. Okay. Can you see that? We're almost done. Do the same procedure for the other strips. Now this time, it will be different. Earlier, we inserted the white one to the red. Now, we're going to insert the red to the white. So, for the second step, we like that. Again, weave white inside red. Now, red inside white. It's alternating, pabago-bago. And also now, red should be the one outside. Just like that. Now for the third strip. So, red, white, next is red. Insert the white inside, so that should be outside. Again, now is red would be inside, white outside. Yan, ganyan mag-weave. Do it again. And see that? And now you know how to weave. You can do other projects. Just like that. Oh, we're on the last strip for the white and red. So to seal the deal, it's a little tricky. We need to insert the white, or rather, we need to insert the red into the white first because it's alternating. Now insert the white in this red. Okay. Do it again. Red this time would be on the inside. And lastly, insert the white into the red. It will be a little bit tricky to push that, but you can do it. Or open it. It's easier. To make it easier, push the white one inside. See? This one would be pushed. Clean it around. Push it in. And now you have a heart pocket. At ayun na nga, we're finished with the heart pocket. This is a pocket, as mentioned, and you can put little things inside. Like some candies. Popping candy, actually this is tang. And the most important thing is your letter to your special someone. Of course, it would take time to write this down and put your heart in it. And I'm sure they would be happy with this gift because of the effort. See? Handmade, affordable, and as well as thoughtful. So, yun na muna. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone and thank you. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye!